Okay. All right, I got a new tripod because I left my tripod in the middle of nowhere because I was too much of a wussy to carry it. But I got a pretty cool one. Kind of fancy tripod. Pretty good tripod, I guess. Oh my God, it's huge. I thought it was supposed to be lightweight. Oh, I bought the wrong thing again. Robus, what is this? Oh, it's a pretty cool looking case, I think. I won't use it. Tripod here. It's heavy. But it looks strong. Oh, they stay popped out. And you can go where you want and then push it in. Oh. Wow. Gitzo head. This is so much heavier than my other one. Okay, yeah. So you tighten. And you tighten that. Loosen this. Loosen, that's loose. That's loose. So that this is in the center of the lens. Okay. Whoa. Good quick, like. Yeah. This is, how heavy is this? Oh, it's heavier than it was. Oh, those are nice, though. Just gravity falls out. It's really early. I'm here at Short Hills, and it's pretty cool. Just some birds. This is too much of an opening, I think, so I'm gonna go for a little walk. So heavy. So heavy. I just saw some birds go by really quick, and this thing is so good at just being like, whew. You know, you just kind of slam her right in. Point and record, or even pictures. It's just nice and still and sturdy, really sturdy, man. This thing is so good. It's worth the extra weight. The Robus carbon fiber tripod, and then the gimbal is the Gitzo gimbal. There's all kinds that are just like that, but that style of gimbal is really good. I know this one's very good. Very good. And I'm gonna go to a swamp now. Got a little wet. Just a little wet. This place is so polluted, okay? This place is so polluted. Look at this, okay? I was just down by that other spot there and I was gonna puke. It smelled so friggin' bad. Oh, there's a heron over there. Look how gross this is, okay? This is by a water treatment plant, by another plant, by tons of farms, maybe pesticides too, but I don't know. Look at that. It smells. Goddamn gross, man. Ugh.